New Metropolitan Edition brings a unique combination of design and technology features to the Land Rover Discovery range. Versatile interior, full-sized family SUV offers generous space for up to 7 adults with flexible load area and practical seating configurations. Efficient power. Straight 6 Ingenium petrol and diesel powertrains with advanced 48V MHEV technology provide enhanced performance and efficiency. Advanced air filtration, cabin air purification with PM 2.5 air filtration 1. Monitors air quality inside and filters harmful particulates for improved well-being. Towing King, best-in-class 3,500 kg towing capacity 2, with optional advanced tow assist to take the stress out of difficult reversing maneuvers. Commercial choice, Discovery Commercial available in R-Dynamic specification for the first time, underlining its unique combination of premium quality and utility.